to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for another home cleaning motivation video. I'm going to be pottering around my house, starting with upstairs and just getting it nice and tidy, ready for the day. If you like this type of video, do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing, and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off in the bedroom just so I can sort out any laundry that needs doing, as well as making the bed. I always do try and make my bed first thing in the morning because I just love getting in to a freshly made bed at night time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that before moving through into the ensuite bathroom, because that really needs a little bit of TLC today. So I'm going to get all of that done before we head downstairs and tackle the rest of the house.
Two places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
So whenever I'm giving any of the bathrooms a good clean, I do like to empty them out first, because I just hate cleaning around things unless it's just having a quick wipe over. But today I want to go in and give it a good old clean, so I am just going to empty the whole room out so I've got a nice blank canvas to work with. So I went ahead and picked up these new Fabulosa wipes from B&M the other day, and I am completely obsessed with them. And I know that I say that all the time for new products, but these smell insane. I absolutely love them. And I also remembered to pick up some gloves, because the last time I did all of the bathrooms in one day, my hands actually started to burn a little bit. So I went ahead and got some red ones so I don't mix them up with the ones that I use downstairs, and these are just going to be for the bathroom. But if you haven't tried those Fabulosa wipes before, I definitely recommend them. They smell so good. So once all that was done, it was time to move on to the shower, and I really need to remember to keep those gloves on. I only remembered when I was doing the toilet, and then for the rest of the room I completely forgot. So I'm going to keep them in my bathroom box with all the products so I don't forget to put them on. But I'm just going to go ahead and do the shower now with my mix of white vinegar spray and washing up liquid, and then I'm going to leave that to sit whilst I put everything back in the bathroom, and then I can just rinse it off at the end.
I've been falling for a mile. With a heart like that, you're gonna get stacked with love, yeah. And what I got is not a lot, I know, na. With a sound like this, I hope I won't miss that competition. And when I play what I gotta go, na. It's like I wanna get shot and glued in over my grave. I'm gonna get played, but you make me go na like I'm under your feet, so screwed. I'm gonna get smashed, I want it so bad, 'cause you make me go na.
So once I had those two rooms done upstairs, it was time to head downstairs and put the washing up away that I did the night before. As you can see, I don't have any washing up. I'm really trying to keep on top of this lately. I don't manage to do it every day, and normally there are cups and glasses and stuff left over, but I do try and wash up from dinner instead of just leaving the dinner plates until the next morning, because that's just an awful feeling coming down to yesterday's dinner plates. So I do try and get that all done before I go to bed, so I can then just let it air dry overnight and put it away at the next day. So next up on my list was to do the sink, and as you can see, it's really not too bad this morning. So I'm just going to go in with my Flash kitchen spray and just give it a good wipe over to make sure that it's all nicely disinfected before I can fill it up with the 𝚂𝚂 water and go over all of the sides, cupboards and drawers and just disinfect everything and make it nice and clean for the day.
Never ending, can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving, yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending,
keeping all the fruit in the microwave was starting to really bother me, and it was just so annoying having to empty it out all the time. So I went ahead and put it in this glass bowl. I normally use this for baking, but honestly I don't do that much of it, so I thought I would just use it for the fruit instead. And I actually really like the way that it looks. I was only going to be using this temporarily until I picked up an actual fruit bowl, but I actually just like the look of having a clear glass bowl, so I think I might keep it like this. And once that's all done, next on my list is to go through into the front room, and this is never too bad lately because I do just sort of clean up as I go during the day, so when we go to bed it's pretty much tidy lately, and hopefully I can keep on top of that because it is such a nice feeling just having to whiz round and put a few bits back, but overall having a nice tidy front room to come down to. So I'm just going to whiz around and put a few bits back where they belong, and then go in and give it a good dust over and just make it nice and fresh. And the final thing that I wanted to do just to make it extra fresh on this day, it was to spray over the sofa and cushions and everything with my fabric softener. This just smells beautiful and it helps the whole room smell gorgeous. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Do go ahead and subscribe and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.
Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them.